Hi, I'm Shannon from Home Alchemy Living, and today I'm going to be showing you how to transform your beautiful, lovely hollowcore doors. What I'm going to be doing with mine is using two picture picture frame boxes on each side of my door. There are other ways that you can dress these up or give them a little zhuzh. That you can do a singular frame, just one big rectangle around the door. You can use two, as I mentioned, three, four. I'm sure there's even the possibility of doing five if you feel so inclined. Not sure how you fit that in there, but anyway, I used a miter box for this project. I did not use my miter saw because my miter saw was just shredding these little pieces of molding. I think the blade needs to be switched out because it's a little too thick right now. However, I'll explain the benefits of using the miter saw or miter box in the next segment. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here we have the miter saw box that I used for this project. You can see the black locking pins there, and then also the degrees that are on this particular miter box. I used a 45-degree angle cut, and there's the one on the left as well as the one on the right. I will also list all these products in the description box down below, along with links in case you're wondering, what exactly it was that I used, or if you forget along the course of the video. So there's frog tape. I used Loctite, chair rail molding from Lowe's, a template with measurements from Jenna Sue Design. I'll link that as well, along with a level that has a vertical level bubble and a horizontal level bubble. I always cut on the left-hand side first before I even make my measurement, and then I use that left side to measure over to the right. For the top parts of my boxes, I used 19 inches. Once I had measured and marked, I locked it in place with the locking pin and made my right-hand cut. Here's all the pieces for one door, front and back. 19 inches for the top and bottom pieces, 27 inches for the bottom sides, and 36 inches for the top sides of the box. Then what you're going to do is measure 5 inches down from the top of the door, 5 inches over on each side. Use your top piece of molding and draw a line on the door. Then you're going to want to level it and tape it into place. You can then continue this process for the sides, the bottom, and then the bottom part of the door. And just make sure you're checking and leveling along the way as you go, just so the boxes don't look lopsided. And here you can see the sides that I checked with the level. You can see the little bubble right there showing that, it's in the right place. Once you've done that, have all pieces taped in place. And then you can go ahead and use some Loctite and your caulk gun at the next point and start gluing these pieces back into place. I don't take them all off the door. I just use the top piece to start. I use Loctite, the spout cutter, and I just don't cut too much off the top, otherwise you'll have a lot coming out. But it's not a very liquidy type of glue. It's pretty solid. I kept everything in place, just removed the very top piece, put a few dabs of glue on, and then I put it right back into its spot, made sure it was level, and taped it back into place. And I continued this process for the sides and the bottom, front and back of the door. You have about 15 minutes before the glue dries to move things around and make sure everything's level. Here's the finished product. And in the next picture, I'm going to show you my daughter had painted the door a lovely pink. There we go. And the finished product. Everything, again, will be listed in the description box below. I hope this helped. Take care, and until next time.